President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee upa Vincent H. Pala hakajinga kren shikilat pathai kubor minta ke khatwe terik rimpang arajar arpuar hadin kajinga lang ka party ulaong baka Indian National Congress kalapin kre ban Ïing no ikisan ngut ki MLA ki belasalla ban let ke shan ke sarkar sinrop Meghalaya Democratic Alliance bayalam ke National People's Party beladon lang ke BJP laong bawatla ke MPCC kamla ban Shimrai hinre ke Senkme na Delhi kamla ban priang ke jinglet ke shan ke sarkar ke badon lang ke BJP ulaong baminta ke janmit on pa ke jinge kren jong ke jinge lang sha ke Senkme sha Delhi bakan shim ye ke rai bakaddu.
When they left without consulting us, it's not a question of infighting. Maybe they have their own interest, they have their own, own plan, own vision. So I don't think that I was talking to Madam Amprin yesterday also, and she told me, sir, we cannot afford to live to stay in the opposition. That's the main reasons. In the Congress, we have rules. The Congress, we have the constitutions. In the Congress, we have who is going to do, who is going not to do. I think we'll go strictly by the rules, we'll go strictly by the constitutions of the Congress. So I don't want to land in arguments with different. She may be right or she may be wrong. I think the constitutions and the rules will say, like I've said, is beyond my jurisdiction, but the High Command, I think this is not the first case we have experienced. We have experienced this in Nagaland, we have experienced this in many other states also. From the High Command, there was a debate, there was a discussions, whereas here the CLP did not get the proper sanction, the High Command were not consulted, the MPCC was not consulted. So I think that is different between Maharashtra and Meghalaya.
Concerning the state,
There was a decision last time that they should support on few things, but that time also did not take decisions, but the parties thought that okay, for the inclusion of the Khasi language and Garo language in the 8th schedule, for the participating in the committee for the solution of the boundaries, for the ILPs, we are ready to do that because that has been also agreed and resolved in the floor of the House in the Assembly by successive governments. So there's no problem. But the present one is not that. The present one is different. So there's no link between that issue base and now.
so how do you see the Congress?
See, the Congress will not depend on the leaders only. The Congress, we have seen in many areas, Congress, we have no place, but the workers are there. But Meghalaya, I think, is different. Meghalaya, as of today, you have seen many of our leaders, young leaders have come and joined the party. I'm very confident. Most of these people who left, the mandate was given to them as Congress. The mandate was not given as individual. The mandate was given to them not only on the issue-based support. The mandate was given to them as Congress. The Congress workers, they have sweat, they work day and night, they lost their sleep, many of them even injured, hurt, and to make all the leaders win. But I feel that be it now or be it before, our leaders has betrayed the party workers, our leaders have betrayed the Congress. Therefore, the Congress, we have decided today, many of our youth leaders have said, we will not betray the party, we will not surrender the ideology with the Congress stands, the identity with the Congress always there. We'll fight, we'll work with courage, and we should not think only of 1 or 2 MLAs. Because the 5 MLAs who given us support to the present government is for 5 constituencies. But we have also to look about the 55 constituencies which are going to fight elections. So we cannot only save the 5 MLAs and then we surrender the entire 55 seats. So every issues which we are taking cost us, not only in Meghalaya, we are a national party, it costs us in Goa, it costs us in UP, it costs us everywhere. So our stand as a national party, it should be nationally, it cannot be constituency wise, it cannot be individual. That is mainly our stand.